new investments to support global expansion and technological advancements, Quantum Systems, a key innovator in drone technology, has successfully raised over 100 million euros through an additional Series B funding round. The latest investors, Notion Capital and Porsche Automobil Holdings SE, Porsche SE, have joined existing stakeholders in demonstrating their support for the company's growth and vision. This funding round highlights the confidence that Quantum Systems investors have in the company's ability to expand in the rapidly growing drone technology market. A boost for global expansion and research, the infusion of new capital enables Quantum Systems to push forward with its global expansion plans while investing further in research and development, particularly in artificial intelligence, AI, and software innovations. These advancements are crucial as the company aims to scale up production and strengthen its product offerings. Patrick Norris, general partner at Notion Capital, commented on the investment. Florian is a highly driven founder, motivated to defend European values. In such an uncertain world, we all need more homegrown success stories like Quantum Systems to make a difference and have an impact beyond economic profit. Florian Seibel, CEO and co-founder of Quantum Systems, emphasized the importance of the new partnerships. With support from our new investors, Porsche SE and Notion, we are not just securing funds, we are building partnerships that will drive innovation essential for Europe's technological sovereignty, security, and resilience. Advancing drone technology for multiple industries, Quantum Systems specializes in providing aerial intelligence through advanced drone technology equipped with AI capabilities. This technology has transformed operations across industries like mining, construction, agriculture, utilities, public safety, and defense. By capturing, analyzing, and processing sensor data, Quantum Systems' drones offer a significant efficiency boost to these sectors. The drone market continues to grow, with compact drones forecasted to expand at an annual rate of 20% over the next several years. Quantum Systems is positioned to benefit from this growth due to its unique technology platform, which integrates hardware, software, and AI to deliver cutting-edge solutions for various applications. Strategic investment for the future, the new round of funding will allow Quantum Systems to scale production and continue its focus on innovation. The company's commitment to further research in AI-driven technology ensures that it remains at the forefront of the drone industry. Seibel expressed his gratitude for the support from investors while referring to the company's work to support Ukraine. This investment underscores the confidence in our mission to redefine industries and create lasting impact. I am grateful to all our investors who have supported us on this journey. The best is yet to come. But one thing is certain, without security, nothing is worth anything. As Quantum Systems moves forward with its global expansion and technological development, the company remains focused on contributing to Europe's technological sovereignty while providing valuable solutions to businesses and governments alike. Read more. Quantum Systems enhances reconnaissance drone capabilities in Ukraine with AI upgrade transforming mining operations with drones. Straos partners with Quantum Systems, drones for Ukraine. Quantum Systems sends long endurance vectors,